Ever wondered how to make your camping trips or outdoor grilling sessions more exciting with minimal effort? The answer lies in the magic of foil pack cooking. This simple yet ingenious method involves wrapping your choice of protein or vegetables in aluminum foil and letting the heat do the rest. The result? An easy, flavorful meal cooked on the grill or over a campfire. This method is not new, but rather an adaptation of an age-old culinary practice. Believe it or not, foil pack cooking takes its inspiration from the ancient practice of wrapping food in wet leaves, husks, seaweed, or even wet clay. This technique was used to keep the juices in while allowing the food to cook evenly. It's a testament to the timeless appeal of this cooking method and its ability to adapt over the years. Foil pack cooking has seen a resurgence in popularity, particularly among outdoor enthusiasts, and it's not hard to see why. The convenience of individual portions and the minimal cleanup required make it a top choice for those who want to enjoy a tasty meal without the fuss. The key to successful foil pack cooking is to use heavy-duty foil. This type of foil is thick enough to withstand high temperatures, especially when cooking over a campfire. Plus, it forms a secure seal that prevents air leaks, ensuring your food cooks perfectly every time. So, how can you master the art of foil pack cooking? Here are some tips. 1. Use heavy-duty foil. As mentioned before, heavy-duty foil is essential. It can withstand high temperatures and forms a secure seal. 1. Proper sealing. Make sure to fold the foil ends over the ingredients tightly. This prevents tearing or breakage. 1. Ventilation hole. After cooking, poke a small hole in the foil to release steam. This prevents a burst of hot steam when unwrapping. 1. Flavorful seasoning. Brush vegetables with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. This simple step can transform your outdoor dining experience. Foil pack cooking is a simple yet effective culinary method that delivers juicy meats and flavorful vegetables with little effort. It's a testament to the timeless appeal of this cooking method, and it's perfect for camping and grilling enthusiasts. So next time you're planning an outdoor adventure, why not give foil pack cooking a try? You might just discover a new favorite way to cook.